What's up, team?
No, and I get to unmute myself. There you go. What's going on,
What
guys?
happened? Oh, no.
Yeah, so there wasn't sound on that intro. I got to figure it out with Restream, but
It's probably
it
just
is.
muting and unmuting.
Yeah. All right. So,
Get after it.
ladies and gentlemen, what is going on?
Ready for another fun afternoon? I mean, at this point, I need the market to give me more to tell me that puts are safe. Right now, I don't like them. I took 3 trades today. You guys saw the one that went absolutely nuts. And then the one trade that I lost was a put trade. So it's quick in and out, up over 1% on the account. Just be done for the day.
Absolutely. Now, guys, remember, if you want to go ahead and get your 5 days, right?
Well, no, it's a month.
Check it out right there, that QR code. I like the graphics. It's kind of cool.
It is cool.
Yeah, check it out, guys. $5. It's cheaper than eggs. Cheaper than eggs.
Yeah,
Right?
you guys are getting your first month for over 90% off. Well, get in there. I don't know what you're you guys saw the printing with the traffic lights yet again today. There's so many lurkers out here. And that's the thing too. It's almost like the people that are lurking outside. It's like, what are you doing with your life? You're just sitting here waiting around for something randomly to happen. It's like, all right, well, good luck with that.
Good luck with that.
Sorting's up 26% on the day. There you go.
Jesus Christ. Super dope. All right. So let's go ahead and get into some you want to get into some Nvidia?
Sure.
All right. So let's go ahead and get it into the charts here, and then let's minimize USDV.
The 1 minute was filthy on it today.
Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and
dirty.
Very much dirty. Oh boy. So in this example, right, you got a traffic light down. The 3 and the 5 are confirming the trend. It has been the trend. Let's look at the 3. The 3, you had that traffic light. It's maintained that trend. The 5, you got the traffic light. It's maintained the trend ever so subtly, right? But what that means is that the 1, if you took the trades that were put side on the 1, this is what allowed you to print, right? You don't really want to go against the trend, even though things are moving sideways. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and answer some questions. So we have Daniel Mitch. Hey, I'm struggling in my trades today. I was taking AMD to the upside, didn't work. Tesla to the downside, didn't work. Was in and out around the 1 minute levels, just adding up to losses.
How did you lose on AMD? AMD to the upside, murder. Tessie to the downside, I can see how you got chopped up, but again, it's and I think people think like this too, which is not, you can't think like this in the market. It's like you're gonna think that you're gonna have one bad day, and it's like, oh my god, what is happening? It's like, no. Sometimes the trades just aren't gonna work. That's why we manage our risk appropriately. So if you're playing traffic light to traffic light, which is exactly what I was doing today too, to set my risk. If you have good entry levels, like, you're perfectly fine if you're playing the retest. Now, again, some of the trades just aren't going to work out, but that's a part of the game.
No. So, Daniel, I'm going to call you out on your bullshit, man. All right? This is the way this works, man. It's just like, come on. You're not following the rules here, right? So you got a traffic light to the upside. You hit a level, you take profit. You get a traffic light here to the downside. You hit a level, you take profit. You get another traffic light that agrees with the overall trend. You're breaking levels and making all kinds of gains. I don't understand what you are seeing unless you are attempting to trade against a reversal and or you are not trading the traffic lights. You're really not, and you're not doing so diligently. All right. Like it's we can't see where you're taking these trades other than you're just willy-nillying around somewhere. But I cannot see where you are following the rules and getting hurt. Because especially on the 1 minute with the AMD, it's giving you enough time to secure those bags. Way more than enough time. So, Daniel, I'm just going to call you out on your bullshit here, right? Stop fucking around. Go ahead. Go back to paper trading And really, you're missing something critical about this system and what we're doing. But I'm not going to let you sit there and say, like, oh, okay, well, I took traffic light, this, that, and the other, because the chart is literally showing that it's bullshit. All right.
Mhm.
Now we go ahead and we look at Tesla. We could see Tesla the same thing. Listen, I'm going to call you out on it. All right. You get a traffic light here on the 1 minute, it's bringing you down. Where do you think you're going to go ahead and enter a call? No, you could enter a call here, but you do have a level. You respect it. I'm just saying. Now, Tesla has, for the most part, been trading sideways. If the 1 minute is above your pay grade, you stay away from it,
Mhm.
right? If you do not subscribe to the system, you do not have any business playing, all right, till you are 100% subscribed. The traffic light genie told you no matter what time frame you were on, the 3 and the 5 were biased to puts. That's the trend you're playing. You are looking for the put plays. The put plays are what paid. Put play, paid, scalp. Put play, level, scalp, sideways. Put play, sideways. Put play, paid. Put play, paid. Scalp. Put play, paid. You
Mhm.
had more puts on the 1 minute than you did calls on the 1 minute, and that is for a reason. The 3 and the 5 were surely on their way down. I don't know anymore. I can't explain it to you any better than that. Like, come on, guys. Like, come on. Right? If
Mhm.
you're gonna fuck around, you're gonna find out. That's on you. But we're literally putting you in a position to win every single time. All right. Tesla was to the downside. It wasn't a chop, so that's on me. Not all signals agreed.
Yeah. Tesla, I could see how you got chopped out of. AMD, not really.
But why are you playing Tesla after 11? Why are you playing sideways action? I'm just trying to figure that out. Now let's go to the chart here and then let's look at this. Let's look at Spy. Spy had a textbook reversal.
Mhm. It's getting there. It's
Oh, look
trying
at
to slip
this.
that
You
200 right there. It's trying.
get a cross down. Let's zoom in. Do you chase this candle? No. You wait
No.
for the retracement up to the 48. You could establish the 48 or the 13 as your risk. You
Gabe, what
then
did we say before the stream? When we were talking about that exact fucking thing. Oh, that's word for word. Gabe and I are talking before the stream, and it's like, yeah, that's not a shitty entry there.
It's really not. Then you get to put play. Now all time frames agree, but look where she shows price sensitivity right here at this 200, right there on the 1 minute. So now we have to see what's going on the 3 and the 5. Let's go ahead, look at the 3, right? The 3 just broke its 48. You do have a level here of 406.23, right? Now look at the 5. The 5 is showing some yellow. Why? Well, the 5 here is showing yellow to the downside, or it already printed your yellow. It's giving you a red. It might print another yellow for a reversal to the upside. We don't know.
Mhm,
Everything is being supported by the 48. So we look at the 1, and as it stands, you are in a put play. But with the 200 there, being mindful, this could be a reversal. Now,
mhm,
with that being said, if you took this play and you got in on a retracement and you came on down, that's a 42-cent play. There's almost 50 cents on the play. All right,
mhm,
cool. My next question is, why are you not respecting the level? You need to respect the level. The play is done once it hits that level, right? And then what are you doing? You're waiting for confirmation. You're waiting for a candle break below the
mhm,
200 on the 1 minute and then see it break the 48 on the 3 and the 5.
mhm,
That's what we're waiting for,
mhm,
right? We go back to the charts here. That's what we're waiting for, guys. It's really simple stuff. The 3, you got to break up the 48 on the 3. You have this level here. On the 5, You got a potential break here. Now, if we break on the 5, where are we going? Well, I mean, it could be doom. You do
It
have
could
some
be.
levels established pre-market, or we can look at some of the levels established here in the 1 minute. We could say, all right, 406.23. It seems to have liked it pretty much throughout the day. Okay. It's not really that difficult. STV, I want you to take center stage and just preach to them. So go right ahead, man.
I mean, if you're looking at this right now, it's just teetering at this 1 minute 200. The RSI is flashing its moving average. If it can make that move back above its moving average and start to get towards 50, it could just bounce right off of this 1 minute 200. I don't really like put trades today off of this. Now, it could just be this is now the time that the trend is going to start to shift on us, where you're not going to then see these big ass candles just shooting to the upside. Now, who knows? Nobody knows what's going to happen here. But with the price action that we've seen recently, in how this thing just likes to come down, bait and switch, and then run right back up, I personally would just be careful taking put trades to the downside. That's just what I'm looking at here. You have 406.50 right here that it could easily flicker around with and then come right back up. So again, the move was on the retest of the 13 up top, right around 406.84. If you missed it, I wouldn't be touching this here.
There you go. There you go. What more? What more do we want
So
here?
simple.
It's really, really, really simple stuff, right? Let's see. Kenny Yu says, thanks again for your stop loss strategy. If you guys have not seen that video, you are missing out.
Oh, yes, you are.
Oh, yes.
4.97% on the day. Kenny, atta boy, buddy. Atta
Attaboy.
boy. There you go.
Attaboy. Attaboy. We make this super simple. Now, let's go ahead and get back to the charts here. Spy. Let's see what we're looking at on the 1 minute. We have a GME down, Qs are down, Lucid down, AMD. Whoa. But if as of most recently, we have GME down. Let's look at GME. Let's see if we can drive this teaching home. Looking at GME here, we have all time frames in agreement. Now, let's go ahead and hit rewind. I love hitting rewind on this, right? We're going to get into this play and let's check it out. So you see here,
That's traffic light central there. Ooh, little slippage here on the SPY. Let's see what it wants to do.
right? It plays out. It definitely plays out, right? You're definitely biased to puts if the larger time frames are telling you be biased to puts. Now, we go to the SPY, see what's happening here.
It's just
And
teetering. You got that close below the 200 though. You're right at the 48 on the 5 minute. Ooh, there's that slip.
there's that slip. There's that slip.
There she
Come on.
goes.
All right. Can someone tell me they were acting brand new? They fucked around. They found out. I mean, did we not make it that obvious for you?
You guys realize how simple this is? Stop fucking around. There's no reason to be fucking around in this market like most of you guys are. Now the 1 minute's getting hot. That's not necessarily what you want to be seeing there with the here it slips. There goes 406.
And we got an alert here. AMD down. Spy. What are you doing, baby?
Let's see what it wants to do.
All right. AMD coming on down. All three intervals are in agreement. Ooh. All right. RSI oversold.
Yeah.
All right. So what could we expect? I mean, we do have a level at 8208. We have oversold. We have a level. What do we expect from that?
Let's see.
Maybe a bouncy.
It
But why
could.
would you want to find out? Why don't you just secure the bag?
Gotta secure the bag.
Go ahead. Look at this move. There's a 42-cent move to where it's at right now. That's not bad. That's profitable. Oh, my God.
You looking at AMD?
Yeah.
Yeah,
AMD.
everything's starting to slip lower here. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O.
Uh-oh. Secure the bag. Oh, Algo, how's it going, man? Daniel Mitch says, but that wouldn't have been following the rules. What do you
What
mean
wouldn't
it
have been
would not?
following the rules? What wouldn't have been following the rules?
It, is Speed Racer coming out next week by chance? It will be coming out for the 3-year and lifetime this week.
Yep.
Ooh, exciting stuff, right? 3-year and a lifetime. Let me go ahead and I'm just playing with too many screens here, so there you go.
Let's see. Missed the spy, saw the setup all 3 time frames, too scared. Brian, what have we talked about in the past, buddy? We can't have, if you're gonna sit here and just be too scared all of the time, it's not gonna work out for you. You have, when you see your setup, you have to execute. If you're not gonna execute when you see your setup then becomes useless. That's how it goes.
A few posts above, it would have printed. No, I mean, I think you would have printed with Tesla, but I think, you know, you were playing against a trend. So if you're playing against a trend, Daniel, right? Your expectation's a scalp. So if it's 3-4% up, take it. Right? You're playing against a trend. It's like that doesn't, you know, that's like a plane, you know, like flying into a headwind. It's going to slow it down. Right? Now, when all time frames are in agreement, that becomes its tailwind. Right? Or do I have that backwards? Anybody in aviation could fix that up for me?
I am not in aviation. You don't want me in charge of the dang planes. I'd screw it up somehow.
I'd sit there and be like, faster. Let's go faster. Until we like just shatter. Hey guys, I'm trying to get access. Gabe, yes, Boric, I gave Andy notification. He's gonna take care of that for you. All right. So let's see what else we got.
Yeah, Spy's getting that slip. I mean, dude, this is just textbook traffic light. Like literally textbook traffic lights here. It could not be any more perfect than this. I mean, you would expect now with these RSIs getting a little cooked here, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 35 minutes of just straight red here, that it could come up for air at some point, but you gotta wait and see. This thing could get a little dirty here.
Sure as hell can. All right. Now, for those who decided, like, okay, I'm going to play at a level, Gabe. I know that's a level, but I'm not going to get out of it, right? I'm gonna play this, right? I'm going to risk it for the biscuit. Well, then you would have gone ahead and protected this level here at 406.23, right? Now, what are you protecting? You're essentially protecting this level now at 405.85. That's a level you're protecting. Right? The girls are all positive today. Astrid now 3.66. Way to go, Algo.
That's pretty sweet.
Yes.
And again, guys, this is what we want you guys to understand. The Ritas aren't doing anything other than what we tell you guys every single day. It's simple. The Ritas follow the rules, man.
They just follow the rules. Let's go ahead and check out Tesla. Is Tesla at a level? On the 1 minute, it broke one. We do have something here, but let's go to the 5 minute. Really see. Broke a level here. Let's draw that out. Blue pill at your level. Right there, guys. That level is 192.88. Okay. RSI is overcooked even on a 5 minute. So if it's going to reverse, this shit's going to be brutal. That's why we use levels and we say secure the bag.
No reason to overcomplicate it, team.
No reason. No reason. Now, if we were in on this Tesla put, let's go ahead and look at the 1 minute. Look at this here. Oh my god! Look at this
on the 1 minute. Oh my god, that is dirty.
Let's go ahead and do a replay. Let's do a replay here. So we're gonna bring it back here. Let's do this play. So we get a green light to the upside, but the 3 and a 5 were saying to the put side. So when it then became a put, the gains were that much more gainful because it went with the trend, ladies and gentlemen.
Spy just came up for air a little bit there. The 1 minute was cooking. The RSI just crossed its moving average. If it can get back above the 13, where's that? 4. I just like at this point in the market, it's like this thing can go anywhere, guys. Be careful. If you're already green for the day, there's really no reason to be fucking around with this. I mean, again, that perfect traffic light move down, you see it at 12:25. It literally breaks down, retests, and you nail it down. Like, how complicated is this? Why are we overcomplicating this stuff?
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and pay your $5 so we can simplify it for you. Pay your freaking $5.
Be like, oh, look at this nonsense, guys. You don't be led to the slaughter because it's we see it every single day. People come into our community and they're like, "This is what you guys have been doing." It's like, yep.
Yeah. This is what we've been doing. Now I have a really important question to ask, right? So STB, is $5 cheaper than a pack of cigarettes? Yes.
I think so. I don't know.
Yeah. Is it cheaper than a 6-pack of beer? Yes. Is it cheaper than a dozen eggs?
Yeah, definitely. Well, no. I get eggs for like $4, so no. It's definitely cheaper than Chipotle. I know that.
Cheaper than Chipotle, cheaper than McDonald's, cheaper than that cup of coffee at Starbucks. It's like, the way I see it, if you see value in that stuff but don't see value in what we're doing for $5, you deserve to be poor. Like, I'm sorry. I know that sounds really elitist, but it's just a fact.
Yeah, I see a lot of people talking about the master classes here too. Remember, guys, the 3-year, the price for the 3-year is going up at the end of the month. Right now, if you sign up for the 3-year, your monthly fee is effectively $37 a month, and you get master classes, and you get access to the game streams that he's going to be doing, and the beta access to Speed Racer. It's the best bang for your buck. So again, if you want to upgrade, just reach out to Diana, and she will help you out over there. But again, guys, nothing's going to change about your current situation unless you take action. It's as simple as that.
Yeah. They're sitting there like, I hope it goes up. I hope it goes up. Like, at the very least, pay the $5 so you don't end up losing another 1,000 or 2,000 this month on a shit stock.
It's like you could try to do it on your own, or you could come in, pay a tiny, tiny thing, and then have a much better odds of doing well in the market. Choice is yours. We'll just sit here continuing to print money.
Pretty much. All right. So here we are.
Cassie looking a little interesting there.
Yeah, well, what do we expect it to do? It was overcooked here. So you got that bounce up. It recaptured its level here. Right? You secure that bag. If we get another break, then you know what? You go ahead and you take that another play. When you're using the 192.88, you use that to protect your profit. Oh my God.
So simple.
Tesla is a no-go trade. It's already made its move. Right? It's already made its move. I wouldn't even think about trying to find out what's going to happen here.
No, absolutely not. Spy's just screwing around. Let's see. 5 minutes. I mean, the 5 minutes getting cooked on the Spy. Let's see where the 1 minute is. Yeah, the 1 minute's trying to get back above that 13. The RSI is above its moving average, but don't know if it's going to be able to get it.
Hey, we don't know. But the thing is like, okay, why worry about what we don't know when what we do know is we got paid. Look at that move. $1.14. Wowzers.
Mm-hmm. There you
Wowzers.
go. Look at how simple that is, guys. Why are we overcomplicating it? You take the traffic light, you wait for the retest, you play it down, you make a shitload of money. Boom, bang, boom, simple.
Oh, man. Spy is sitting on the 13 and 30 minute. Okay. We really don't use the 30-minute, but what has piqued my interest as of recent is the 15.
I'll look for trends on the 15. I won't trade based off of it though.
Yeah, don't trade base off it, but the trend, you could definitely see that trend break here on the 15. Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
Microsoft. Okay, Randy B. Let's do that. Here you go, Microsoft. And let's go ahead and look at this. So Microsoft has a 1-minute traffic light to the upside, right? Now we have some levels. These levels are basically just our scalp expectations, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now we can go ahead, take the traffic light to the level, secure that bag. If not, right, we're going to go ahead and say, okay, now we could defend it. Let's defend it. Now what we do is we go to the 3 because the 3 is red. What's happening on the 3? It looks like it wants to potentially cross as well,
Mm-hmm.
right? So as long as we're here defending this level here, we should be good. This was a quick scalp, right? You get a
Mm-hmm.
candle close below the 48 here, you secure that bag, you don't fuck around and find out. All
Nope.
right.
No reason
Now,
to marry these trades.
if the 3 turns green before that candle close, I'm holding.
Mm-hmm.
I am holding. Okay. So it's a matter of waiting to see what happens here, right? So we're gonna go ahead and leave it on Microsoft. We're gonna leave it on this chart, guys. We're gonna see how this plays out, right? So the 1 minute is saying we're moving on up. The 1 minute showing bullish. The MACD is showing strong bullish. ADX is showing weak bullish. Okay. Now we build upon our thesis with the 3 and the 5, right? We could go ahead, go to the 3, and the 3 just isn't quite there,
Nope.
right? But that's cool because you defended yourself at the 48. There was a reason why we said defended at the 48.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's it. The 3 didn't turn green before you had a candle break below. Again, the candle hasn't closed, but it is what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Uh let's see.
Yeah, no reason to marry the trade, but I love her. No, easy money on Tesla again. What happened with Tesla? I mean, unless you're playing the RSI break. I wouldn't say that's easy money. I'm looking at it on the 1 minute here. It hasn't traffic lighted.
For which one?
Tesla.
Tesla, we don't have anything truly actionable.
Nope. Nope.
Nope. Nothing truly actionable here. And she's coming right back down to 192.88. That's a possibility.
Mm-hmm. How do these look on the? You're still kind of cooking here on the 5 minute on Spy. It looks like it needs a retest. I don't know though. We'll see. I mean, you've got the 48 up here at 406.19. It could just knife from here though. Who knows? This market's been going fucking crazy over the last few days, so we'll see what it really wants to end up doing.
Let's see if we can find a level within 7 trading days on the 5 minute. We cannot. We go to the 4. And we see, do we have a level print on the 4?
On the 4 hour for Spy?
Yeah, do we have a level print? It looks like it's broken beneath all of its most recent major levels. We do have a level at 402.50. I don't know if I see that happening. But bull market.
Yeah, it needs. I mean, it's still not cooked on the 4 hour. This is the interesting thing about this. The daily and the 4 hour are just not cooked right now. So
No, they're
it
not.
could continue going, but we'll see. I mean, looking at it on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, it's trying on the 1 minute, but it's been consolidating here for a decent amount of time. You got to see if it can break back above 406, get another traffic light.
There you go.
Let's see. 4 hour, 404.16. Yeah, I saw that one, Ryan.
Let's see. Everything pretty much trending down with Speed Racer on the 5. We just got one for Nvidia. Or nope. We got something here. Hold on. The 3 to the 5. 1251. Apple coming down. Something popped up. Just trying to figure it out.
Are you talking about a new alert?
Yeah.
It probably would be on the 5 because everything's kind of already done its thing on the 1 and the 3.
There you go. So traffic light on Tesla.
Yeah, that might have been the 1 then. On the 1 minute, yeah.
There you go.
It's trying.
It's really trying. And you get a bounce off the level. You get a traffic light. You do have the 48 as a level, ladies and gentlemen. Oh boy.
If it can blow through there, maybe. Where's Apple right now? Is Apple doing anything fancy? No. Oh, Apple was a beautiful traffic light here, dude. Jesus.
Yes.
Retest at basically 156. You caught a dollar move on Apple. Good for you guys. I mean, again, traffic lights are the truth, dude.
Yep, and she's looking to make her bounce on the 1 minute.
It's trying.
You have a level. You got an RSI bounce. You got the weak bearish. Let's see what's happening on the 3. Massive consolidation on the 3.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Look at the 5. More of the same.
Yeah,
we get a break of that 48 on the 5. Ooh. Get wrecked messing with Tesla right now. Hell yeah.
Yeah. Well, I mean, the only thing you have here is these nice retests of the 13 off of the traffic light, and then it's more about, okay, let's see what happens after. That's all it is.
Yeah. Yeah.
Guys, once you see the power of these and you start trading them a little bit, even for all you new people that have been filtering in, you paper trade a couple of these traffic lights, you're gonna be like, whoa, 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 what? That's what they were talking about? It's like, yeah, dumbass. We've been trying to get you guys to see it for like a year.
Well, what I want to showcase is something here. We're going to do this replay, guys. And so this is Tesla on the 1 minute. It's coming on down, right? We hit a blue pill. And then you can see it gives you more than you deserve. But look at RSI just come right back up, right? Now, that RSI coming right back up along with the level gives me a little bit of faith in the trade and playing it to the upside. But I know it's a quick scalp because what? The 3 and the 5 are still bearish, right? Now, the EMA trend is a put, and since price action's below the 200 EMA, we are still biased to puts, right? So this was simply just a quick scalp. You don't deserve for price action to go against the rules that we have created for you. Right? If that was the case, everybody be rich whenever they break the fucking rules.
But that is definitely not the case. Everybody, this is literally we hear this like constantly every single day. People are like, oh yeah, when I follow the rules, I do very well. When I break the rules, I start fucking up. It's like, yeah, that's why the rules are there for you guys. Yep, that's why you follow them and you don't fucking stray away from them. Yep, yep, nice. There you go.
Really, really interesting stuff, guys. We're going to go ahead and get that QR code back up for you. It's trade1348.com. Scan the code, click the link. Go ahead. $5 is just $5. If you cannot make $5 in a trade using this system in your first month,
yeah, you're gonna struggle.
He's like, yeah, you're gonna struggle.
I'm like, yeah, if you can't with this stuff, it's like you should probably just quit. But I mean, guys, also if those of you guys that do want to upgrade to the 3-year to make sure you're getting Speed Racer this week, and before the price increases at the end of the month, just reach out to Diana and then she will help you with that upgrade.
Really not hard.
It's the best bang for your buck too. Like if you think about it, if you do 1348 divided by 36, your monthly fee is like $37 a month versus 69, and you get more.
Yes. All right, we got Lucid cross up, AMC cross up, Tesla. We got the 104 alert on Tesla. Okay, Lucid at 108. Let's just go ahead and look at Lucid. I just really like showing proof of concept with what we're doing and explaining out the rules. So payment plan for $5. Your first month is $5. Right. Then you go up to 69, right? You cancel whenever you want. You get the charts, right? And the charts will set the charts alone are probably worth a cool couple of $100. I mean, let's be honest.
Oh yeah.
All right. So let's look at Lucid. All right, let's get Lucid here. So Lucid has a traffic light to the upside, right? Could easily be front run on maybe even coming from this level here, right? You get oversold, it bounces, it's making its run. The thing with Lucid is it's below $10. It's a shit stock to me, so
I don't like Lucid. Just everything about Lucid I don't like, but that's just my opinion.
Yeah. It really, but look what it's doing. It's pretty much doing what Tesla is doing right here, right? It just feels like it's lagging a little bit, but it's trying to do what Tesla is doing here. The 3 and 5 are saying puts. So what we're seeing here, we're seeing some consolidation on the 3 and 5.
Those of you guys on that traffic light on the SPY, oh my God, you must have all just murdered that, dude. This traffic light down was so unbelievably disgusting. 406.85. It comes down to the low of 405.29. You caught over $1 on the SPY just now.
Way over $1.
Is the price the same for OGs that moved to 3-year or lifetime? The price of the 3-year guys right now is 1348 for everybody, unless you are in before the end of this month. It is moving up to 17.99.
$1.56 to the bottom of that wick off a reentry on the 13.
Dude, it's disgusting.
Right. This trade should have been the only trade you needed all day, really, if your goal is to secure 1% on your port. All right. Let's see. Really, really, really easy stuff, guys. We're going to get I see you guys clicking on this QR code here. We have 11 people who have decided, like, yeah, I'm going to do this. Can we get that to 20 people? We get 20 people using this QR code and or clicking the link in the comments. You see how it just pops up. Go ahead and go get you some. It's just $5. Like,
change your lives, man. Nobody's going to do it for you.
Yeah. Yeah. Nobody's going to do it for you. But I also want to showcase something here. Right. Broken traffic light. And let's get, for those who have 9 to 5, those with 9 to 5 jobs, right? You could go ahead and, pay somebody to give you alerts on the daily. In this case, we got 68 alerts on the daily, right? You got 9 to 5. So at market close at 4:02:56 p.m., as you could see, right? We go ahead and we screen the entire market for possible changes of direction using the traffic light. You then get to go home, do a little bit of your homework, and say, all right, yeah, I'll enter this trade. whether you're going to buy shares and or play options with it, get your options maybe about 5 weeks out, that kind of thing. Let the play mature. But I mean, even if you say like, okay, yeah, I'm going to go to TradingView and I'm going to set up my own alerts, you don't know. We are screening the whole entire market.
Mm-hmm.
So even if you attempted to set up your own alerts on the daily with your favorite tickers, let's say the FANG group, you're not going to be getting a whole lot of alerts.
Nope.
Right. So we keep this actionable for those who, again, have a 9 to 5 job.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
We make things so simple for you guys. It's unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Keep it simple, stupid. Kiss. It's guys. The rules are there for a reason.
Absolutely. Oh my God. So let's why doesn't this want to work for me? This really, really sucks. All right, there you go. There you go. All right, cool. All right, guys, hit that QR code before I make it disappear.
Poof, gone.
3, 2, 1, disappeared. All right. Let's see. I love the work you're doing for the 9 to 5ers. Everyone's included here. No one's left behind.
Rita secured 22% on the TQQQ put. Fucking Rita, bro. Rita's a monster. And again, all Rita's doing is the things that we teach you guys every single day.
Every single day. Every single day. Nothing magical about what she's doing.
Nope. Absolutely
nothing magical. All right. So let's do this. You know what time it is?
What do you want to do?
You know what time it is.
Is it call-in time?
I think it's call-in time,
can
brother.
Can we do that with Restream?
Well, they can still call in to me.
Oh, perfect.
Yes. So, basically, let me go ahead and get this set up. Let's see. And let's see here. Oop, wrong one.
Wrong hole.
Oh my God. 1 second. Actually, I'm probably gonna have to wait until next stream so I can get this ironed out. Yeah. Not gonna happen today. My bad, guys.
We're using slightly different streaming software so we can do all this cool stuff on the screen for you guys.
That's it.
Let's see.
All right, the captain.
1.5 on the port. There you go, Ivan. That's fucking dope, man. Congratulations. Winning loser is down 2.7 for the day. Winning loser, you can afford to have a negative 2% day when you've been up 50% a day for like the last couple days. Fucking, you're going to be okay, buddy. You're going to survive. Let's see. Lots of higher than normal selling. What does that even mean? What does that even mean? Higher than normal selling. That doesn't make any sense. Volume? Who cares? The traffic lights just nailed it on this trade here. It's like, okay. Let's see.
Kimmy's premium volume. Oh,
seriously, who cares?
Who cares? Let's see. What do we have?
Spy's just rimming this 13, dude. Just up and down, just rimming this thing on the 1 minute.
Let's see. How do I get the chart? Can't verify phone number on Discord.
You can do it on platform.
You can get it on platform. You don't need it on Discord. So once you have access to platform, let me show you. All right, guys. So let me expand this for you and let me minimize STV here. So to get the chart, you could simply expand a ticker. And what you're going to get is you're going to get your drawers, right? You're going to get your options data, basically the options that you probably want to take at that moment in time. And then you got the 1348 custom chart download. That's where you're going to get the chart right from platform. Apple Cross app just happened.
Did it on the one?
Light to the upside.
Oh yeah, it's right at the it's right at the 200 on the 1 minute and the 13 on the 3. Where's it on the 5?
Ooh,
It's getting there.
This could get spicy.
This could get spicy. Let's see.
And there she goes. She broke her 200. Now she's got to contend with the 48.
It's helping out Spy there a little bit. Spy's got a little bit of a pop there as well.
All right. Time for some colorful commentary. You can do it, Apple. No.
Go Apple. If it breaks, it'll have some fun. But let's see. Spy's hunting around a little bit here, looking for a traffic light.
Oh man. Let's see. All right, so Andy here is telling me to give a big welcome to Lewis, Michael, and Nima for signing up during the stream. Congratulations.
Welcome, guys.
Welcome on board. Welcome on board. Let's see. Oh, look at this.
Spy's looking interesting too. Ooh, Apple's trying to break it there.
Breaking is 48. Uh-oh.
Let's see. This could get fun.
This could get really fun. Isn't Apple an EMA sandwich? No, it's not.
Not really. There's a closing candle above.
Oh boy. Wait a second. We got another alert. Tesla to the upside. Uh-oh. Does that mean the market wakey?
It might. Who knows? I mean, again, I've just been looking at this market here, and I'm like, they've tried to let this thing fall. Oh, Gabe, throw Spy on the 3 minute.
Okay.
Look at the 3 minute. You're gonna be like, oh, that makes lots of sense.
Oh, 200. Ladies and gentlemen, we have been we goat the shit out of this system. Look at this, right? Because you're getting this with the charts, right? You know what? Anybody's going ahead and listening to Reddit DD or like just some fucking idiot on stock twits. Well, go be an idiot with him. What we're showing you is actionable. We're giving you an actionable system with actionable alerts, right? With oh my god, with actionable rules. Check this out. 200 EMA. What coincides with that?
You get that RSI break and off to the races there, dude.
Look at that RSI break, 200 EMA, RSI break on the 3 minute. Woo!
Now, it does have to contend with that 13 on the 3 minute, but if it breaks above there, the 1 minute's looking like it wants to signal a traffic light coming up here soon too. If the 3 minute then does it and starts to break up above, I mean, then you're going to be looking at 406.23. That's going to be the next level to the upside. If this is going to be a bounce and it just starts continuing back to the upside for the rest of the day.
Ooh, this could get really spicy.
But
I'm loving it.
Yeah.
All right. And we got Tori here welcoming new members. Welcome.
And right back down.
Man. And I see there we got 32 clicks on that code.
Ooh. Welcome all the new people coming in for the 93% off first month deal. Congratulations to you guys taking advantage of the best opportunity you'll ever have.
The best opportunity you're ever going to have. We're not lying to you. We don't have to lie to you. We don't have to sell you anything because, well, the only thing you need to believe in is the freaking charts. And we have invested so much time with these charts, studying it out, creating the system where it's, I mean, STV, look what's happening. Look at price action on the one with the Spy.
It's just teetering that 13. Let's see if we can get a traffic light up there and see if it wants to start moving back to the upside there.
Absolutely. So Trade the Trends got a quick question. We're only going to pay attention because he's got stars there. What's the question, brother?
I love Trade the Trends. It's always fun when he calls in too. He's asking about calling. It's not today, buddy. We're using different streaming software today. We just got to figure it out for this.
I'll have it figured out for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Trade the Trends. What is it?
What's your question? Ooh, there's the first sign of a traffic light on the SPY on the 1. Let's see if it can hold. It's gonna flash.
It's gonna flash.
Let's see. Where's Apple now? Did Apple end up breaking and running a little there? A little break and retest of that 48 on the 1 minute. Tessie trying to fight its 48 here too. Let's see. Never has staring at lights been so exciting. Yeah. You've been saving $1,348 for the lifetime at the OG. Still gonna have that deal until the end of the month. Yeah, and then it jumps up to $17.99. So
There you
at the
go.
end, so guys, you have one more month left to get the deal of a lifetime on platform. It's like when you do the math on it, you literally are getting each month for $37 a month. You're just paying it up front. And you get access to everything. You get masterclass, private stream, beta access. So if you guys do want to upgrade, just reach out to Diana.
All right. So as to me, I think while you were keeping everybody like entertained there, right? I think we can sneak in a call. I think I have it figured out.
Oh, perfect.
All right. Guys, if you want to call in, it's 978-545-1348. Again, 978-545-1348. One more time, 978-545-1348. I feel like one of those cheap personal injury commercials.
Yeah. Andy, I didn't say lifetime. It's for 3 year. It comes out to $37 a month. You're just prepaying it.
There you go. 978-545-1348. And we had a call coming in. They hung up. Damn it.
Spy's rejecting that 1 minute 48 right now. Let's see. Tessie looks interesting.
Okay, we have a call.
Lifetime, trade the trends. There is no lifetime anymore.
And who do we have on the line?
Yo, what's up, guys? Trade the trends.
Oh, what's up, buddy? How you doing?
Hey, can't complain, man. How you guys doing?
Good.
Hey, the question I asked wasn't for the 3 year. I was wondering about the lifetime. Remember you said like the OGs get locked in? I mean, I don't have it like that yet, but I've been saving. And I got it in about 2 more weeks. I was wondering if that deal was still on the table. So I could just get the lifetime for the 13.
Lifetime's over. Lifetime's over. It's just 3 year now.
Oh.
We do have the lifetime payment plan though.
Okay, yeah, you could get lifetime via payment plan. However, lifetime for 1348 does no longer exist. It's now 3 years.
Oh, it doesn't exist. And what was the payment plan again? Like it was a 10-month thing or something like that, right?
Yeah, 10 months.
Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to just jump on that one then. And that one you get the delayed classes or you get the
master classes are limited.
Delayed
master classes are limited to OG lifetimers and to 3 years only.
Yeah, you get delayed master classes on the payment plan.
Hey, all right, guys, no problem. All right, man.
All right, man.
Later, buddy.
All right.
Later.
You guys got to be quick. These things are going quickly, guys. Like again, these special offers that we're giving you guys, they're not going to be around forever. So like even this try for 5 deal, the 3 year thing. I mean, again, the price of the 3 years going up at the end of the month. Don't miss it, man. If you guys want it, you can't miss it.
Can't miss it. So what do we have here, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, so you had a traffic light to the upside, which gave you a scalp opportunity. Now you got another traffic light to the downside. Why is that? The 3 and the 5 never relinquished their trend. They're still like, hey, we're either coming down or we're going sideways. Right? So if you're trading against the trend, this was purely a scalp opportunity. You got a rejection here, and then now you're going back put side. Now let's see what's happening on the 3 here. Oh. The 3 wants to go ahead and find support once again. What's happening to the 5?
The 5 just lingering there. The 5's just hanging out.
Yeah, 5's just chilling. Yes. So Rita heavy allocation took that SPY put down and is now up 13.76%.
Jesus. The Ritas are nasty, man, and they're not doing anything that we don't tell you guys to do every day.
They are
not. Shit. I got to go live in 3 minutes. Fuck.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and make sure we follow STB on over to his live stream. We are killing this stream. We are done for the day. Make sure you guys check out trade1348.com. Come on. Just $5.
Try for 5. 90% off. Limited time.
That's it. The Ritas on average are up 4.98% overall in port. It's you cannot argue with the system.
You can't.
All right, guys. So peace out, STB. We love you. Get on
later,
over to your
team.
stream. Later.